Hello there, my name's Eddie. My company Alfaman Services Limited in Rayners Lane, Harrow. What we do here is we service and repair all Alfa Romeo cars from the 1950s to the modern day cars of 2024. Right over here I've got a 1976 Alfa Romeo Spider 2 litre. I've just done a full mechanical overhaul of this car. I've rebuilt the engine, the gearbox, new carburetors, an electronic ignition system. We've recovered the seats, we've put new tyres on, we've replaced the brakes, we've replaced the whole of the exhaust system, we've done the front suspension, the rear suspension, we've done everything on this car. The car had a rather sad story to it. The engine was overhauled in 2009 and then it stopped, it wouldn't start again. So I've had to start from the very beginning. We hoiked the engine out, I overhauled the gearbox and we've replaced everything in the engine. Pistons, liners, I've even had to replace the crank. I had a good second-hand crank in which went away for polishing, and it's now engine rebuilt, it's on the button, it starts, it runs beautifully. And the last job I'm doing now is the tracking. So here's my tracking machine. It's it's a full modern machine. If you have a look over here, it's got little cameras on, it's GPS laser, whatever. I've got the turntables and we've got the Alfa Romeo program in there. And it's an Italian machine. I wouldn't use a non-Italian machine on an Italian garage. So I'm just finishing off the tracking and then I'm going to send it away for an MOT. It doesn't need an MOT, but I'm going to send it away. And that's basically the story of this car. If you want to go around, well, what we'll do is when it's off the ramp, I'll give you another guided tour around the car. So I'll speak to you a little bit later on.